This is for Commander James. This is for Commander James. This is a tactical Kevlar vest, Type 3 rated body armor. Now, God forbid you are shot. That should keep him. You can put it in the back or the front, but I don't think you'd run away. So I think you would go forward. And so maybe the front is better. Like, I wish I could give you front and back. But we have another plate for another team. So God bless you, Commander James. Thank you for your service.
We have some snipers here, right? You guys need to see the enemy. Right? You want to see the enemy? We all have a gift for you. This is the gift. Okay, this is a drone.
Now, usually in the U.S. military, special forces use drones. Please record this video so you can remember. So I'm going to hit this button to record. We are recording. Now we're going to take off. Okay. How far you can fly and how far you can see. It's a nice machine, huh? Now.
His train, who best can drink his cup of woe, triumphant over.
Like a video game. If you want to go forward, you want to see
cross below. He follows in his train.
Okay. Zoom. See, brother.
The martyr first, whose
if you go on that hilltop lake, you can shoot this drone for maybe 5-6 kilometers.
on the grave,
Well, we're here for you. We love you guys, and we thank you for your service. I was in the U.S. Army, so I know what soldiers need. Okay, so we have some gifts for you, and I hope that this will bless you. We have sleeping bags and hats and socks. Because you got to change your socks, all right? Change your socks, man. You don't want to get your feet wet and then get trench foot. Keep your feet dry. Keep your feet dry. So we have boots also. We have boots for you.